Hi, my name is Selva and I'm a patient at Professional Smiles. In Bosnia, at the time when I was growing up as a child, they really didn't have access to a lot of modern dentistry, and they usually used old methods. And me being a child, I was just scared, and basically that anxiety, I think, as I was growing up, had grown. And talking about dentists in general, for me, it's basically a big deal because it involves a lot of fear and anxiety that I have from the past. And not only that, but just thinking about complete tooth loss and issues that I can have with my bones and my jaw. If something goes wrong, this really is, it basically affects my psychological process of thinking, and needless to say, my anxiety goes over the top. So when I first came to Professional Smiles, I had amazing experience. However, back then in 2013 or 14, I had to change my dental insurance at that time because of the job change, and it was difficult for me to go to the different dentists because I was just comfortable with this dentist office at that time. However, I had to make it work because my upper tooth was hurting and we had to do something about it. So different dentist office, they put a crown in my very front tooth over here that was different from the very other front tooth. It was different color and different shape. They all looked very different. And because I couldn't, I didn't like going to the dentist, I left that look like that for a long time. So I just recently came back to Professional Smiles, and thank goodness, I'm just grateful to this office for welcoming me. For when we did all that dental work, they made me more than comfortable. They basically asked me every time I would come in, they would ask me if I was comfortable, do I need any water. These things are very important to me. I know people sometimes when they think about dentists, they can say, I don't care about all that little stuff. For me, it's important. So the fact that they offered me the water, they offered me to watch my favorite TV show, to offer me like a stress toy or a pillow or something where that I can basically feel more comfortable, because I feel like I have more anxiety than the average person that comes to the dentist office. So for me, that's very important. And basically we did some dental work to correct those two mismatched teeth that were right over here at front. And now I can say that I can smile again, because before that was done, I wasn't even smiling. I couldn't smile in the pictures. I was always smiling with my closed mouth, but right now, my friends and my family and whoever saw me after I did this dental work, they're saying that that I look much younger, that my smile is so much brighter and better. Cost-wise, the kindness of the staff, their expertise and professionalism, and the most important to me, compassion that they showed me about my dental work was just something that I would recommend to everybody. Please come see Professional Smiles, and I promise you, you're not going to be disappointed.